Johnny, yes, Papa.
안녕하세요.
2, 3. SMR.
안녕하세요. No, it's hello.
Hello! I am
Jisung Park.
I'm Ida.
Yeah.
Ivana!
And we are going
Jisung
to...
Park.
And we are Jisung Park. We have a game. Bet how many
Jisung
Jisung Parks.
Ay,
Okay, so now...
but how many Jisung Park?
Patak sa
Screen
takip.
time?
Hindi. How many Jisung Parks?
a lot.
How many Jisung Parks will Iya say today?
Jisung Park.
Comment down below your guesses. I'm betting on
2.
Daya mo, iko-control mo eh.
No.
Okay, sige.
Where's
I'm-
that control?
I'm gonna bet 23.
2.
Ikaw.
17.
Wow.
17.
Let's go.
Ah!
Is it connected?
We're gonna start the video in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
We're delicious.
Hinang.
I know, boy, yeah.
Bakit ako sumigaw hindi ko baya si Jisung Park?
Walang alarm!
Okay. Can we proceed?
Masakit!
Iya attacks. Hoy! Keep it together, girl. Can we proceed?
Yuck!
Can
a
we
boy.
proceed? Can we
Again.
proceed?
3, 2, 1.
네가 선명해 결국은 도
Wala pa. Oh my God! Jeno. Hindi ko Jeno ba yan? Markley! Baby! I like the beat.
I like this part.
Yeah, it's weird.
Huh?
I like Jisung Park. Genos.
Pogi ni Jeno.
I like that bucket.
Wow, rapper!
That's my beat. Hindi. 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 Again.
117.
tayo.
117. For my editing self.
Oh!
Kasunod. Wala lang. Puppet.
Oh my God!
Let's go, best friend. Let's go, best friend.
Sounds like two songs
Yeah, it
together.
does. The first part.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, sleeveless.
That? Nah.
Jemin. Ang ganda. Pogi!
I like 7 boys.
Wow. Wow. Ah!
Hindi naman tayo
Wala.
kumakanta eh.
Pogi niya.
Sunod-sunod kayo.
Vocalist.
Yes.
Sunod-sunod nga.
That was cute.
Let's go, Jamin.
Jay Mendoza.
Jay Mendoza.
Oh my God!
They're also...
Oh!
I saw your kilikili!
Yuck! Beret?
Legs.
Beret?
We
Berry?
go tiger up. Is that a tiger?
Okay.
Can we,
It sounds weird. Let's go from the start.
Marry me. Y'all see that? Y'all hear something?
What?
I don't know, it's just him.
Okay. Wait.
Thoughts.
Thought?
It sounds weird in the beginning.
Really? What's that in Tagalog? She doesn't know.
It stopped on a nice time.
Markley. Gusto kong ulitin. Ulitin natin. Walang sasalita.
No reactions, kid. No smiling.
No-
laughing.
no laughing.
No
No breathing challenge.
No face.
Okay.
No face. Challenge starts now.
No dancing.
Too slow, too fast, 속도, control. 뽕뽕, 넓혀, tempo. 어디서도 기억해, 너 play. 계속해, 똑같이 wild and free. 모두 바뀌다가 춤췄고, 다음에 가도 바로 run, let's go. Yeah, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go. 빛위에서 번진 게 바로 아무리 빨리.
Ang cute niya doon.
Cute niya dyan.
Fake.
Grabe, parang...
Huwag mo ulitin!
No
Parang
face
gusto ko siyang
challenge,
pakasalan.
ate.
I'm failed.
Parang gusto ko siyang
Who's
pakasalan.
failed? I win.
Parang gusto ko siyang pakasalan. Wala lang.
Jamin's voice. Jamin's face. Jamin. Mark Lee.
You see that?
It's legend.
You see that?
We go, we go,
Pogi Jeno, guys.
Yes, that's true. Facts only.
Yeah, that's
No
a
printer, just facts. Bye, Mark!
bye.
These are my tears. Mark tears.
Me too! I love you! Sana all. Saan yung car wash?
Sana all.
Parang bitin yung song, isa pa.
Parang dapat 10 minutes siya.
Oo nga.
Thoughts on
Thought.
the music video muna.
Nice.
Ikaw.
It's cool.
It's
Cool.
It's cool.
It's cool.
Yun lang. Nice, cool. Walang technical...
Amazing, breathtaking show stuff.
Okay. Thought...
Cute! Yay! Yay!
Ang ganda yung kulay.
That's nice.
Ganda si Jisung Park.
We're gonna see.
We love that screen time. That's like 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years worth of screen time.
That's
B.
That's true.
Yan lang yung
B.
screen time niya. Screen time.
B. It's Jisung. It's the year of Jisung. It's his year.
Can we appreciate...
Jisung Park?
Jeno and Chanla.
Jisung Park.
Geno Lee. Lee Geno. Ang ganda niya dito.
Dito lang.
You know who else?
Jason Park.
And
Ranjwin.
Mark Lee.
Ranjwin.
and Jisung Park.
What's L?
Ano yun? Jeno.
I only know that.
Haranghe.
Nayo.
Nayopso.
Nayopso.
It doesn't matter.
Yorobun.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
It don't matter.
Nayopso. Hantok malmol.
Yorobun.
Yorobun.
You're my lady, come on.
Thoughts about the song?
Sounds like Fergalicious.
Simula lang eh. Sabay mo.
It's a mix of Fergalicious and Trigger the Fever.
It has 2 songs.
Para siyang...
That's what she
Oh,
said. That's
oh.
plagiarism.
Kasi iba-iba yung tunog.
Oo.
Sabay-sabay.
Yung ano,
Expound.
yung rap, ka-beat, ka-jive vibe. Ka-vibe niya
Jive,
yung...
di ba yun after Jor?
You... Huh?
Huh?
1, 2, 3.
Jor?
Jor.
Jive. Jive ho.
It's a genre.
Jive ho.
Same vibe yung rap, tsaka yung chorus. Tama. Yes, di ba? Bagay. May part dun sa song na weird. Yeah. What was your favorite part?
This one.
Everything. No. Chana and Jenna's part.
I like that.
Yung
I like this boy.
That?
No, this boy. Oh my gosh, marry me!
Cute niya dun. In fairness. What's your favorite part?
Good. Nice part.
I like that too. I like that too.
My
favorite part is 122. 124.
But that's my favorite part.
125.
My favorite part is 124.
That's what 25. Yeah.
I have no favorite
Sisters.
part.
Yes. Good job, sis. Okay. Auto ISO yan eh.
I like this hair.
Yeah. I like Jeno's hair.
I like
Chana's
Jisung Park's hair.
Chana's hair
You know who
looks
else
like
who else's hair I like?
Jisung.
Jisung Park
And
and Park Jisung. I don't want to get out of my
I
life.
like Mark Lee.
Be gone, thought.
I like Mark Lee.
I would Jisung Park.
NCT Mark. NCT Mark. NCT Mark.
Jisung.
Mark.
Get out of my house. It's my house.
Get out of my smart car.
Get out of my car. Get out of my smart car.
NCT Mark.
NCT Ranjin. NCT Jeno. NCT Haechan. NCT Jaemin. NCT Chala. NCT Jisung. NCT Jisung.
NCT DREAM.
Jisung.
Am I doing? No.
Jisung?
That's the wrong one.
Jisung Park?
That's correct, right? But it's opposite there.
Mirror yan.
Oh, okay.
Blip.
Okay, that's our video for today.
Bye!
That's our video for today.
Stan NCT Pop. Jisung Pop.
NCT Dream Pop.
Jisung Park single-handedly brought up the K-pop industry.
If you haven't watched the video, watch it.
That's all. Bye!
Bye! All my social media stuff and her social media stuff in the description below.
Ivana's social media.
And Ivana's social media stuff in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Always remember to keep reading. Bye!
What?
Jisung Park!
시작부터 다 예상 밖의 놀란 스타일 작은 스텝들로 뿜어내 big vibe Keep on Too slow, too fast